Yeah, so we're at the Spanish Town courthouse now. This is the side of the courthouse. Now this is the side of the Spanish Town Court, around to the back where the incarcerated persons are brought in. Yeah. A lot of history in Spanish Town there, with the Spanish occupancy and then the English. You know, a lot of history. We have a lot of history, Yeah man, the Spanish Town courthouse. This is the famous courthouse, the big courthouse. Spanish Town. Yeah man, now come to Spanish Town. All of the history. Spanish Town, you know? Yeah, this is where they used to hang the people and the prisoners, in that part right over there with that tip on it. It's great Spanish Town. A lot of archaeological history, you know? Yes man. So you know, tune in to Jamaican Experience. We always try to give you what is up and real. You know, like, subscribe and share to the channel through Jamaican Experience, and let us grow. We'll soon have some lives and stuff, you know. Yeah man, just continue to tune in. Yeah man, famous breadfruit man in Spanish Town. All the nice breadfruit. Alright, check it out.